This question says, count the number of rotations of gear B if gear A completes 8 rotations counterclockwise. Will it be A, 16 rotations clockwise, B, 16 rotations counterclockwise, or C, 8 rotations clockwise? So we can break this problem down in terms of answering the direction component of the question and then answering the number of rotations. So let's start with A, where we're provided information. We're told that gear A completes 8 rotations counterclockwise. So counterclockwise is in this direction, and we can label this CC for counterclockwise for easier reference. Now, the first rule that we need to know to answer this question is that for any two directly meshed gears, such as this gear, gear A, and what we can call as gear D, gear A and gear D are directly meshed, and for any two gears that are directly meshed, their directions of rotation will be opposite. So if A is rotating counterclockwise, well then D will be rotating clockwise. Likewise, we can label this next gear, gear E. We see gears D and gear E are directly meshed, and if gear D is rotating clockwise, well then gear E must be rotating counterclockwise. And then lastly, we have the direct meshing of gear E and gear B. Now if gear E is going counterclockwise, then we know B is rotating clockwise. So we've answered the first part of this question. We know that gear B will be rotating clockwise, and therefore we can eliminate answer option B. So now the question is, how many rotations will B perform? Will it be 16 rotations or 8 rotations? Well, we have a second rule to recall. So for a system, a series of directly meshed gears, you can directly compare their numbers of rotations depending on the number of teeth. So in this situation, where we have gear A having the same number of teeth as gear B, they must complete the same number of rotations. And therefore, if A completes 8 rotations, then B must also complete 8 rotations, which means the correct answer is C.